Hello, Jessica Frost-Ballas here with a video for honeybee stamps. Today I'm sharing a shaped Christmas card using a flurry of snowflakes and some wintry ink blending, so let's get started. First I blended my background using Seedless Preserves, Blueprint Sketch, Chip Sapphire, and Black Soot Distress Oxide ink. I've been experimenting with different ink blends all week over on my Instagram, and this was a popular one, so I wanted to see how it would look on an actual card. I recently re-inked my Distress Oxide pads, so the color is quite saturated. I ended up needing to go back and forth with my blending quite a bit to make sure it was smooth, but I'm really happy with the final result. After it was dry, I die cut it with the outline die from the Snow Globe Shaker die set. Next, I die cut the Snow Globe frame from frosted silver cardstock. I die cut the base with the same cardstock and then ran it through my die cutting machine with the Barnwood Planks die to get that great embossed texture. I adhered the Snow Globe base to the frame and set it aside. I decided I wanted to add some splatters to the blended background, so I spritzed it with water and then blotted off the excess. To create my shaped card, I die cut the same snow globe outline shape from white cardstock. I lined it up on my scoreboard and then scored it about an inch down from the top. I added adhesive to the area above the score line and then adhered that to the back of my blended panel. Next, I applied adhesive to the snow globe frame and adhered it to the blended panel. I stamped and die cut the sentiment from winter with black cardstock, silver glitter cardstock, and silver embossing powder. I wanted to create the effect of a snow-frosted window rather than a shaker, so I die cut a ton of snowflakes from the Layering Snowflake die set from white, sugar crystal white glitter, silver screen glitter, and silver frosted cardstock. It's not as obvious on screen, but in person the different colors and textures are simply gorgeous. Next, I arranged my snowflakes around the panel until I was happy with the design. I intended to apply press and seal over the arrangement, add adhesive, and then press it back into place, but I didn't realize we were out of press and seal. So instead, I used my phone to take a photo of the arrangement and then mostly recreated it by adding liquid adhesive to each snowflake and building up the layers again. I used foam mounting tape to add my sentiments for a little more dimension. And that's it. Thanks so much for stopping by, and until next time, have a wonderful day and happy crafting. Bye!